Hello my little kids, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all of you? Which topic today? Today our topic is action words. In this chapter, we are going to learn about action words. Laughing, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. Laughing, ha ha ha. Eating, eating, eating. Weeping, weeping. Drinking, drinking. Running, jumping, sleeping, sleeping. Reading, reading. Sitting. Now we write action words. Laughing, eating. E A T I N G. Eating. Weeping. W double E P I N G. Weeping. Drinking. D R I N K I N G. Drinking. Running. R U N N I N G. Running. Jumping. J U M P I N G. Jumping. Sleeping. S L E E P I N G. Sleeping. Reading. R E A D I N G. Reading. Sitting. S I T T I N G. Sitting. Repeat with me. Laughing, हंसना. Eating, खाना. Weeping, रोना. Drinking, पीना. Running, भागना. Jumping, कूदना. Sleeping, सोना. Reading, पढ़ना. Sitting, बैठना. Thank you. Allah Hafiz students.